I have a few more questions about your court. For instance, where do you start an appeal?
Vancouver is the central registry for the Court of Appeal. You would file your appeal papers there.
Does that mean that appeals are only heard in Vancouver?
Oh, no. Court of Appeal judges sit regularly at the law courts in Vancouver and Victoria, and from time to time in Kamloops, Kelowna, and Prince George. The judges of Court of Appeal are also judges of the Yukon Court of Appeal. The Yukon Court of Appeal sits once a year in Whitehorse, although Yukon appeals are also heard in Vancouver.
Mr. Justice Daniels, can you tell me how many appeal court judges regularly sit on the court?
There are 14 full-time judges plus the Chief Justice. Also, semi-retired judges sit at least half-time as supernumerary judges.
My class is studying a case where a person was injured when a drunk driver hit his car. Is it likely that a case like that would make it to the Court of Appeal?
Well, that would depend on the decisions of the trial court and the parties and the Crown involved. It is possible that it could be appealed at some stage, either in the criminal or civil proceedings.
Thank you for taking the time to speak with me today, Mr. Justice Daniels.
You're welcome, Alex. I enjoyed our discussion.
Want to learn more about the BC court system? Make sure you explore additional resources on the Law Courts Education Society's website, such as teaching guides for teachers and student handouts. You can also visit the Courts of BC website at www.courts.gov.bc.ca. And if you're curious about the Provincial Court of BC or the Supreme Court of BC, there are videos on this website to help you further understand how those two courts work.